I think this is my first time with a brown wig, you guys, and I was like trying to think of a style that I wanted to do with this, and I still don't know what I want to do, and I'm doing the wig, right? Crazy. I feel like this wig is going to be really pretty. I really do, because I already can tell this lace is good. This lace is good. It's pulling down on my ear tabs. Oh my god, it's like a dream. I'm not going to have to be like scuffling with this wig unit. This hair is so full, you guys. Like, I can literally like feel the weight on this wig unit. Like, it's so full. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, and the color. So what I'm going to do first is apply my wig unit. I just feel like it just even looks really natural too, you guys. Like, you can pluck this, but it's not too bad. And on top of that, these knots are really small. And then on top of that, I also don't have to bleach these knots because it's already bleached, considering the fact that this hair is brown. So I'm going to use my Ghost Bond today to apply my wig unit. I'm looking down into my mirror. You guys always ask what products I use. I'm just like, somebody's not paying attention here, because I always say it in my videos. And then I direct y'all to my Amazon store where you guys can like buy the products. So I'm using Ghost Bond Supreme. You guys, I've always used Ghost Bond glue to apply my wig units. Like, I've never tried any other glue before. So if you've been watching me, then you guys know that I'm always like, I'm using Ghost Bond, because I literally don't use anything else. I don't even know anything else, if it even really works for real, because I don't know. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my wig unit. Oh yeah, lace lid.